All right, guys. So, did a video on this the other day. This is the Milwaukee 13-1. All right, cushion grip. All right, they make a 6-piece, an 8-piece. I'm not sure about a 10-piece cushion grip set. These are basically their top line screwdrivers in the Milwaukee platform. They were running some pretty decent deals with them, and we featured them. I don't know, 4 or 5 months ago. When they were kind of doing a little deal on these at the depot. But the one thing that, these are 13-1, but the one thing I didn't know that these cushion grip screwdrivers, 13-1 multi-tip screwdriver here comes with 2 ECX bits. All right. Comes with an ECX1, all right, and an ECX2. All right, for you electricians out there, this is a great feature. You're not going to find this, I don't know, of any other multi-bit screwdriver that has the ECX bit, to be honest with you. All right, so another great feature, but it also got that bolster that I was telling you about. Get your wrench ready, man. All right. Oh, they call it right here. Wrench ready bolster. Increased torque. All right, so Phillips number 1, Phillips number 2, slotted 3/16, slotted 1/4 inch, square 1, square 2, nut driver 1/4 inch, and a nut driver 5/16, and a nut driver 3/8, and a nut driver 1/2 inch. All right, so there's 4 nut drivers. That's awesome. And like I said, the ECX. Guys, again, $19.99. All right. I believe just one of these is $19.99. All right. So you're pretty much getting this for $10 a piece. All right. And I bought those anvil scissors for $5 yesterday. Yeah, baby, we did. All right, hold on. Oh, yeah. Again, you got that ECX 1 and 2. That is a and the bolster, guys. Not too many of these come with it. I think I have an earlier Milwaukee that might have came with a hex bolster, but I'm not really sure. You got, what? You gotta be kidding me. Holy crap. I'll tell you, for once, I think the utility knife would be easier to use at this. Alright, there we go. Alright, so I can tell you one thing. Because of that bolster, this is probably one of the heaviest, but really comfortable. It's definitely one of the heavier multi-bit screwdrivers out there. You got the nice, on a 13-1, this is kind of useless. Now, you could probably lightly tap the end of this multi-bit, all right? Obviously, it's not a metal, end, right? It's not going to be able to take a big, forceful strike like some of these other metal caps or steel caps. But, you can lightly tap on that. But, yeah, it's a pretty heavy multi-bit screwdriver. Again, you got that nice bolster. All right. Yeah. All right, so now we just got to figure out how this sucker. All right. Usually they have some type of All right, so here's your square 1. That's your square 2. And here is that ECX number 2. Hopefully, oh, sorry guys. The camera's like a little off. But there's that ECX, okay? Nice. All right. So definitely a nice little feature there for our electrician. All right. I kind of ripped this off here. Oh, it's loop making. All right, so it's another great feature for the electrician there. All right, so you just really had to pull it hard. All right, some of them have kind of, buttons you kind of hit up here by the cap. We have that weehaw, and this kind of thing opens up. It's pretty basic. You did have to really pull this sucker out. All right, so that's actually a good thing, but you gotta really rip it out there. All right, but here's the handle. Again, you got that bolster on here, so a lot of the weight is towards the end of it, but a very comfortable handle, guys. All right. So in here's your another. This is probably your 5/16 nut driver. All right, you pull this out. Actually, this is probably your biggest, which your biggest is the 1/2 inch. All right, so you got a 1/2 inch. All right, probably a 1/4 or maybe 5/16 there. All right, then you pull out your Phillips number 2, and you got a slotted, and then here's your 1/4 inch right here. You pull out your Phillips number 1. All right, and this is probably your 1/4. These look exactly the same, so these are both 1/4 if you ask me. Or this might be both 1/4. All right, so here are your nut drivers. All right, I'll show you them first. All right, so you got your biggest, your 1/2 inch right here. Okay, you got your 3/8 on the other side. Then this is your 1/4. All right, you got 2 ends of that. And here's your 5/16. You got 2 ends of that. All right, so really this is almost like a 15, but of course 2 are the same here. So, but you got 6 altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But obviously 2 are the same. 5/16, 1/4 inch. All right. And here are your bits. All right. Your Phillips number 1. All right. Your slotted number 1. All right. Your Phillips number 2. And your slotted number 2. Here's your square number 1. Your square number 2. And here is that ECX. Okay. ECX 1. ECX 2. All right. Then, obviously, you take, obviously whatever bit you want. They just slide right back in there. Like so. This one goes on this end. And then you got sorry, guys. I gotta move my legs. Whoa, he's clearly protecting his left side, his ribs. All right. here are your quarters. All right, and whatever you want to use here. Okay, it's that simple, guys. 13-1, Milwaukee. All right, cushion grip. All right, that's your square. I actually have to see this. This is no joke right here, man. I got such a good deal on this last August that you're just not gonna believe it. All right, so let's go crazy. Let's get nuts. Let's go crazy. Come on, let's get nuts. What are you doing, Nick? I'm gonna put some more RAM in the gaming laptop. I need a credit card. Nick, give me one of your credit cards. What? Give me one of your credit cards. You have a credit card? You don't have a credit card? How could you not have a credit card?
I want to have a credit card.
Okay.
What?
No, I'm just showing. Your sister's ruining this computer. She's ruining it. You gonna get by?
No.
Okay, so we got another slot here. Okay, so yeah, I think I'm gonna put another 4 gigs in here, Nick. All right. All right. So yeah, folks, great screwdriver, great one to have. Multi-bits are very versatile. Obviously I probably even needed a different screwdriver, but the square, but the Phillips #1 got it loose enough that I can kind of yank it out of there. But all in all, guys, this is a great, I think one of the best. All right, we know about the Hart multi-bit screwdriver. I really like that one too. Now I'm talking about the Hart that was at Depot that kind of had that reversible. You kind of just flip it and it comes out the other end. I like that one. That one was pretty expensive though. It was like $16 for one, but it went on, massive. I think it was like, I bought another one for like $7.99. All right, but that is also a good one. I have a Southwire one that has an LED light on it. I really like that one because the light is super bright, but there's not that many. I think it's like a 6-in-1, but this is a 13-in-1, guys. All right, if you're looking for, a bolster, you're looking for those ECX bits. I mean, this one's really got it all. And again, 10 for $10. I don't think you're going to find a better one, guys. We'll catch you. Flip.